Hello everybody, we continue our presentations on services marketing with a practical approach. So, today we will look at healthcare services and other professional services. Under healthcare services, we have hospital services marketing. So, healthcare industry is an intensive form of service which is related to human well-being. Hospital industry is related with social marketing. Apart from government hospitals, there are so many private players in this industry. It covers consultation, medicine and health equipment. The service triangle here are the hospital, which is the company which is running the hospital, and then there is the doctor who is provider of the healthcare service and patient who is the customer of the healthcare services. So, the 7 P's of hospital service marketing. Here we have the product, which is consultation as the core product. In addition to consultation, there is diagnosis, treatment, casualty, ambulance, emergency service and pharmacy, which are also provided by the hospital. The pricing is a crucial factor in hospital for a particular treatment. There are different prices for different classes in the hospital. For example, there is the super deluxe class. So, that the price of a cabin that is air conditioned and single occupancy with TV, fridge, tea, phone, attached bathroom, and all that goes for the highest cost. And then there is the private class, which is twin sharing and other facilities same as the super deluxe class. And then there is the cubicle class, which is the partitioned bed in a big room, and general class, that is many beds without any partition, no AC, and is the least cost. Now, here it is important to mention that many times or most often it is the doctors who decide the kind of occupancy the patient has to be kept. For example, if the patient can talk and patient can move on the bed, etc., then it is better to keep him in a twin sharing, so that there is someone else also who can raise an alarm if required. On the other hand, super deluxe class is very costly, and but it has the provision of keeping the patient's relatives or friends in that cabin itself. So, these are some of the issues in the pricing of the facility that the patient is going to enjoy in a hospital. Place, the distribution of hospital services play a crucial role in the marketing mix. The location of the hospital and connectivity of the hospital are important elements. Hospitals should avoid inconvenience and atmospheric pollution. Adequate and fast transportation and communication facility is also required. The promotion, there are two types of promotion strategy used in hospital marketing. One is the personal promotion and another is impersonal promotion. So, personal promotion consists of word of mouth and public relations, while impersonal promotion consists of press release, advertisement, hoarding, wall painting and internet. Then we come to the 6th P, which is the people. So, this people consists of doctors, nurses, supporting staff, manager, receptionist and pharmacy staff. The specialized knowledge is required to perform their duties effectively. So, all of them require specialized knowledge. And the physical evidence in this industry, physical evidence can be in the form of buildings, pathology labs, pharmacy center, logo, lifts, dress code, etc. So, in case of government hospital, where the services are provided almost free, they do not look too much after the physical evidence. Many times the buildings are not well looked after, the plaster is falling, the pipes are dripping, the taps are not working, etc. But for a private hospital, these are very important factors, and the hospital has to keep the buildings, pathology labs, pharmacy center, etc., in a spick and span manner. Then comes the 7 P's of the hospital services marketing. There is the process. So, there are two types of processes in hospitals. One is for outpatient and another is for inpatient. For outpatient, the processes are meeting the doctor, diagnosis, treatment and medication. whereas inpatient services there is patient arrival, registration, diagnosis, treatment, future action related suggestions and discharge and payment. So, these are the inpatient kind of services. So, the hospital industry is a fast growing industry in India, and now big brands have entered into the market. Among the service mix, people is the most important element, as specialized knowledge is basic and most important requirement for superior treatment of the patients. Next, we go to healthcare services, that is marketing the medical transcription services. So, medical transcription service is an allied health profession. It is a process of transcription or converting voice recorded report into text form as dictated by healthcare professionals. It includes patient history, lab reports, X-ray report, operative reports, etc. It is of use by physicians for future review. The benefits of keeping the record are increased productivity, accuracy in documentation, improved reimbursement, better communication and a legal document. So, these are all important usefulness of the use of keeping the records in a hospital, and the doctors may not have enough time to write all the reports. So, they just speak over the microphone, and the transcription is somewhere in another country, maybe transcribes all that information which he hears into a written document, and these are the benefits of keeping the record. The process: the doctor visits the patients, doctor dictates information on telephone, voice recorded and downloaded by medical transcriptionist, the text file is transcribed, the checking of transcription is done, required changes are made, and final reports are submitted to the hospital. So, what are the 7 P's of medical transcription services? So, first P is the product. The usefulness and easy accession of the reports is the core product. Accuracy and quality assurance is required in file preparation. Place: it is distributed throughout the internet. Transcription can be viewed by doctor on the server. Price: the price depends on quality and quickness of the service performance. Salary of the transcription personnel and technology cost are the major elements of total cost. Hospital can hire employee for it or can opt for outsourcing. Promotion: advertisement and personal selling are crucial promotional techniques in this industry. Mostly personal selling to doctors and hospital managers is the important way of promoting these kind of medical transcription services. People: there must be well qualified expert personnel required. Good knowledge of different languages and medical terminology are basic skills required to perform the transcription. In the process: the report writing, billing, insurance and record keeping are the processes. For further reference are elements of the process. Physical evidence: developed information technology infrastructure and customized report for every customer, that is the physical evidence. So, in summary we can say that medical transcription is a document that states the medical investigation report in electronic form. There is immense potential for medical transcription in India, but it is not very famous as it has been viewed as a technology oriented service. Technological advancement and accuracy in the reports are the key success factors. People is the most crucial element among the services mix. Then we come to professional services. So, there are various types of professional services. The first professional service that we are going to discuss is the consultancy services marketing. So, consultancy is the act of giving an advice by an expert professional on a specialized area. In India, management consulting is a growing field of endeavor. There are so many consulting services firms in India, but most of them are technical consultancy firms. So, capabilities of management consultancy: now, market knowledge is required, interpersonal and communication skills are required, consulting competency is required, ability to work in changing environment is required, and ethics and values are required as part of management consultancy. Then we go to the principles of consulting. So, first the consultant regards the client's needs, understand the needs of the client and respects these needs. Remember that every client is unique. Don't misrepresentation the client in anywhere. Do not oversell the services. Refrain from denigrating other consultants. Never forget that it is a professional service and it is a high professional performance is required as part of consulting. So, the content is most important, and the profession and the consulting agency or the people who are consulting must have high levels of professionalism in their activities. So, classification, there are IT consultants, HR consultants and management consultants like strategy consulting, organization consulting and change consulting. So, consulting skills and tools, the people, resources, ideas and innovation, marketing, operations and finance. These are some of these consulting skills and tools required by consulting people in order to deliver superior consulting professional skills. So, as a summary, we can say that in India, marketing of management consulting requires special skills to meet the client from different culture and values. Creating reputation and providing quality services consistently are the major challenges in this industry. Skill and capability of the consultants are the key success factors. Next, we come to another type of professional services, which is advertisement services marketing. According to the American Marketing Association (AMA), advertising is the paid form of non-personal presentation of ideas, goods and services. This industry is similar to consulting and IT services industry. The marketing of advertisement services is more complex than the marketing of other services. So, the 6 aims of advertising service are merchandise, markets, motives, media, measurement and messages. So, first one has to design the merchandise, different types of items which can advertise the particular service. Then there are the markets where the services are to be sold. There are the motives or the objectives with which the advertisement has to be marketed. There is the question of selecting the media. There are the measurement of the services provided by the advertising agency, and then there is the message which the advertising agency constitutes or puts together, and that message has to drive home the particular objectives or motives of the advertisement service. So, the functions are create brand awareness, maintain brand image, provide product information, persuade people to buy, provide brand reminders and reinforce past purchase. So, the key players in the advertising agency is the advertiser, which is the client, the agency, the media, the supplier and the audience. These are the key players in the advertising services episode. So, after the entry of advertisement agency into the market, the advertisement services has become a profession. Previous agencies worked on commission basis, but now they get fixed amount of remuneration on a specific project. Content is the key success factor in this industry. Creativity and ethics are crucial elements in developing brand image. Relationship marketing is the common marketing strategy in use by agencies. So, relationship marketing is absolutely essential, because the advertising agency has to continue getting the orders from their particular customers, and they should not lose these customers in order to remain profitable and sustainable over the long term. Next, we come to another type of professional services, which is marketing research services marketing research. So, marketing research is a crucial marketing function which helps marketers in strategy formulation. In every marketing function, such as recognition of consumer need, segmentation, targeting, positioning, marketing mix decision, branding and performance evaluation, marketing research is required in all these type of requirements. An organization can have their own marketing research department, or they can take the services of marketing research firms. Organizations and companies prefer marketing research agencies because of specialized services and less cost. To cash in on this increased demand, some firms are now providing customized services. The recent developments are tactical to strategic marketing research. So, earlier the marketing research was focusing on the 4 P's, but now it is more of strategic, like for choosing the customer. So, they will try to understand the market, segment the market, target one or few segments, and then position the products or services in the minds of the customers in the particular segment. Then there is high demand for this marketing research services now. Most people are learning marketing, and they want these marketing research services to tell them what kind of customers they have and what kind of requirements the customer have, so that the marketing research firm can tell marketers about and give them a direction in which to work in order to make their products and services profitable in the marketplace. Expansion in new research area and market, thrust to qualitative research input, growth in independent agency, change in research process, big data analysis. So, these are some of the recent developments in the marketing research services industry. The major problems which are faced by the marketing research industry are heterogeneous audience, particularly in India. There are so many languages and so many types of people. There is cultural diversity, there is diversity in languages, there is scarcity of skilled personnel, inadequate infrastructure development is there, like television, etc., television towers, mobile infrastructure. So, that is all inadequate. There are attitudinal issues, that is, many people do not want to have marketing research done. They think that marketing research is a wastage of money. And then there is the problem with methodology. So, only the marketing research firm uses a particular methodology, but it is not understood whether that methodology is the correct methodology or there should have been something else. So, as a summary, marketing research is the base for all marketing activities. Any error in the research results can prove to be a big loss for the company. Marketing research firms should have specialization in marketing research and have skilled personnel. So, nowadays there is integration between organization and research firm. With true marketing orientation and greater professionalism, an agency can cope up with challenges and enhance their brand image. Next, we come to other professional services like retail services marketing. So, with growing competition among consumer products, every company needs greater visibility in the market. Retail services provide a platform to the company to showcase their products and maximize their reach. Single brand retailing and multi-brand retailing are two types of retailing in India. Introduction of internet introduced a new era in the electronic commerce. E-retailing and M-retailing, that is mobile retailing, are the new phase of traditional retailing. Retail market has significant contribution to India's GDP. Retailers break the bulk and have direct link to customers in the distribution chain. So, what are the 7 P's of the retail services marketing? The first P is the product. So, product management, product features, branding, packaging, after sales services, these are the products. The price, which is the incentive, the competitiveness, value for money, status, cost, profitability, etc. Promotion, advertisement, sales promotion, public relation, direct marketing and internet, these are all means of promotion for retail products, retail services. Place, the channel management, retail distribution, agent, store location, retail logistics and retailer image, these are part of the distribution of retail services. People, the staff capability, customer interaction, after sales service, internal marketing, customer care representative, these are all important people in the retail chain. The process, this consists of order processing, database management, service delivery, queuing system, warehousing and after sales service. And the physical evidence, that is store location, ambience, store management, food court, these are all important elements of the physical evidence. Much of this has already been recognized in India, and there are so many malls which have come up. So, people are visiting these malls in order to satisfy their retail requirements, their requirements for products and services, and while they are busy with purchasing of products and services, they also need some other types of entertainment like movies, etc., or and they also want some kind of food to eat to to satisfy their hunger. So, food courts have also become important in any retail mall, etc. So, as a summary, information technology development has changed the structure of retailing. Physical stores have been replaced by e-retailers. Retailing has major contribution in economic development. In single brand retailing, many foreign players have made their presence in the market. However, in multi-brand retailing, FDI is not allowed in India now. In India, unorganized retailing has major stake in comparison to organized retail. Process play important role in physical retailing, and promotion plays crucial role in online retailing. So, that is all for today. This was the end of chapter 5, which is chapter 4 of case studies, that is case study 4. We will go on to the next case, that is in chapter 5. Till then, have a good time.